Welcome to the Skolo Online YouTube channel. Follow us on social media by using the links that are in the description below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell notification to be notified every time there's a new video available on our channel. Welcome back to our lectures. We are showing you in this series how to build your own website from scratch using Google My Business, which offers you a free website for your business. Now, Google My Business does much more than just offer you a free website, and we'll try and cover a few of those features in this lecture. You will start off at the home page. This is where you would have landed as soon as you create your Google My Business account, and you will see up there pending verification. You need to verify your account, and the way you will do that is by waiting for that postcard that has been sent to the address that you provided when you created this account. When you get that postcard, you will come back here and then enter those numbers, and then you will be verified, and then you will be able to do much more. So currently you are going to be limited as to what you can do with this account until you have verified it. Now, on the navigation panel on this side, we have a couple of things I just want to go through. Posts. This is a place where you can go to and create a post, like a social media post. So people, when they Google your business or Google anything similar, your post will also appear, and you can create offers, or you can showcase new products. You can use it for anything. Think about it like a social media for Google. If you're managing a couple of social media accounts for your business, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, add Google My Business to it and make sure that you regularly post on here. It's just going to offer your business much more visibility on the internet, and more chances that your business will get discovered by clients who will come and purchase from your site. So I recommend you use this. And the next one is the information panel. Now, when you have time, you need to come here and spend some time going through this and enter all this required information: your address, your hours, the products that you're selling, and so forth, so that people will know when they Google your business what it is that you have available. Insights, you will not see anything there, but reviews is a very interesting one. Currently, you will not be able to be reviewed as a business because you have not verified your account. You need to verify your account, and then this will open up, and then you will be able to send clients a link to come and review your business, and other clients will be able to review your business even if you haven't sent them a link, because the review will appear on the Google My Business page, and clients will be able to come in and pop in and say this is how they have had an experience with you. Positive reviews help you, because the next time somebody searches for handbags in Johannesburg, for example, positive reviews come up about your business, and your business will rank higher, and you'll get more clients popping into your store. Messaging will also not currently be activated for your account until you verified, but this is also a very useful tool for your business. Now, if somebody that's Googling your business pops up and they're not clear about something, perhaps they want to ask, are you open during the COVID-19 lockdown, or do you have this bag in a different color? They are able to immediately message you on the Google My Business page, and you will be able to come here and see those messages and respond to them. Photos, we'll spend a little bit of time going through this, but this is where you can put in a logo for your business, a cover, a video if you have, to help clients understand what your business does. This is, again, free publicity for your business, so maximize, use it as much as possible. And the products in this page is where you'll be able to come in and enter any products that you're selling, and we'll also have a lecture that goes into detail about entering new products for your business, so people can search directly for your products on Google My Business. This is where Google My Business sort of interacts with e-commerce. If you're used to a couple of e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, it's really just a website that showcases your products, and people can buy directly from your website. And Google My Business can do that as well. You can enter your products one by one, your prices, what you're selling it for, and clients can immediately go and purchase on that. Look at those products, message you directly, you can sell to them, they can come visit your store. So this also helps you if you do not have the money to implement an actual e-commerce website. You can start selling online with Google My Business very, very easily. Your website will appear here. Currently, there is nothing on your website because you just created this account, and we will have another lecture where we're going to go through this and build the website the way we want it. So we're going to skip this for now and continue down the navigation panel.